Welcome everybody. I want to introduce you to online introductory sociology. My name is Dr. Matthew Irvin. I'm your professor. My sincerest apologies for the delay in getting everything up and running. We had a fairly fundamental. There was a fairly fundamental system crash across parts of the platform on Monday. And it's taken me a couple of days to get caught up. Now that we're all caught up, I hopefully you have received my email that I sent out to the class. I want to go over a few things with you. I think I want to view this as a student, just as you would. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. We're going to go here, and I'm seeing this exactly as you would see it. Okay. I just posted an announcement. Okay, how to begin with an online class. Many of you have taken one. Again, this class is all online. There's nothing about this class that was hybrid. I'm sorry for the initial confusion. That was a shell that was adopted. Every aspect of this class is online. I will have, throughout this semester, optional meaning you don't have to attend, Q&A sessions on via Zoom. I'll send the invitations out. They will be usually on Sunday evenings, but just bear with me as we get rolling. I want to start by doing an overview of the class. So the first thing you do is, I'm seeing this as you would, as a Sinclair student. I'm going to click on content here. Okay. It takes you through this and about this course. An update. I put an updated syllabus. Their due dates and so forth. What you're going to have to do, though, pretty much, and I've already done this. This is why this is blocked off. Is to go ahead and click on this quiz. You'll see your link. It's live at the bottom. Course overview survey. Notice that it ends on September the 3rd. Okay? Notice that, please. Most everything else your course textbook, okay, is a link. It is free. But you have to go back here, click here to begin, and you have to click this course overview survey in order to get access to the course. So let's look a little bit at the 15-week syllabus and so forth. Most of the information that you have, and again, there's a free digital copy. This will tell you how to get in touch with me via email. It's going to tell you kind of basically what we're doing in terms of reading. The breakdown, okay, for the courses, your exam schedule, okay. Basically, you'll need to take the introductory quiz, which is like read the syllabus, read the policies. It's hard baked into the course, okay. Down here, I'll be putting testing information in. That the tests will be online. They're not yet posted, of course, but they're we'll talk about that a little bit here. Testing quizzes, due dates noted in the syllabus, and again, here's some more stuff down here, right? Let's go back now and really take a look at about this due dates. Okay, so for each of these topics, right, there's a due date. There's a due date here, right? Okay. Everything basically in the class is due on a Tuesday night by 11:59 p.m. Okay? Everything is due. So what kind of assignments do we have? Well, we've got 5 different types of assignments. Please read the overview of the final paper. It is pretty straightforward, but we will, again, I'll have a Q&A session live that will be optional for you to take advantage of should you wish to do that. Okay? So basically, what we're talking about is, here are the topics, and here are the due dates, and these are the sort of online material requirements. Okay. Ignore any references. Some of these references to in class, and are hard baked into the class. Just ignore that. Everything is online. Okay. I'm gonna have to go back. I will go back and try to edit this out. But basically, you don't have to worry about anything. This little icon here. Everything is online. There will occasionally be a reference that is hard baked into this class that I could not delete or change, and I've done that in any case when it was possible to do so. Elements that say in class. There is no in class work. We're not having class. This is an online class. Okay. So basically, once you get done with that, and I'm going to I'll correct that here in a moment, or see if I can. Basically, you've got 5 different sorts of assignments, and you really need to do all these on time, right? You will see them, they will appear on your course calendar, and they will appear on this due date, course schedule breakdown, 15 week. What are the different kinds of assignments? First, each unit, each chapter has a quiz. You have to do the quiz. Okay? Please read the chapter first. The quiz is open book, as are the tests. So if you can arrange to have a double screen or whatever, or download a copy of the textbook, which I believe you can do. It's free. Again, you feel free to refer to the test. You must take the quizzes. Okay. The second thing is, there are discussions. For a discussion post, you are to write an initial post, which means there'll be a question there. You answer the question, and then to get full value, you'll need to respond to your classmates. Okay, 2 responses to your classmates, other than "good job," "nice point." You have to write a little bit. Read read a couple of other classmates' discussion posts and respond to those. So there's quizzes, there's discussion. The third things are Dropbox / worksheet assignments. They're short written assignments. There may be 6 or 7 of these sprinkled throughout the class, where you're going to be writing your assessment of material that is covered online. Okay? So that's the third thing, a Dropbox assignment. The fourth type of data point you have in terms of a grade will be there are 4 exams, and they're roughly every 4 to 5 chapters. Okay. You'll see those there under due dates, course schedule breakdown. The first exam is on September 29th. And finally, and you want to begin with the end in mind and begin by reading what you'll need to do. And again, we'll have a Q&A session live if you can avail yourself of that time. And I think also, if you can't get to the Q&A session, which will be Sunday night, I will. It's a Zoom. It'll be taped, and you can watch it, on your own. And you can also feel free to email me any questions. That's the 5th major. It's a major assignment. It's about a 2 to 3 page research paper. Okay, so please take the time to review the course components to finish this quiz. This kind of quiz that's in the beginning of the class. Click here to begin. And then read over everything. The key with an online class is your pace. It's your pace yourself. You have to pace yourself, and you have to submit the work on time. There's work due every week, and basically what I've done is to give you through Tuesday at just right before midnight. So that that applies for everything except for the last couple weeks. There's something due Tuesday on the 1st, and then there's some stuff due Friday on December the 4th. Okay, I hope this is useful for you. I'll be posting this and sending this out to you as a group email. Again, we'll try to have a Q&A session this coming Sunday. I'll send you more information about that.